Oh, I am. I thought I was taking a picture.
How slow are you? Are you still recording? Oh my god.
Okay.
Hey! Ow! What are you doing?
My student ID, I lost it for a minute. It's funny when she lost her buckles up. Go, do it again.
No, I'm not doing it again now. You're stupid.
Dude, I can't tell you where you are. I can't tell if it's the dark or what. Okay.
That's my head. That's my head. Stop.
Bokity. Wait, I wrote on my hand with Sharpie.
Oh my god, that was so random.
No, it wasn't. It was on the subject. Ish.
Sure about that?
I'm pretty sure. Look, look, it left a mark. Now it looks like I got a bruise. Looks like someone punched me on my hand. Oh, I have a bruise on my finger. Look, it's on this one. You see it? Do you see it? If you can't, open your eyes.
Kylie,
Do you
here.
see how fat it is? It looks like a freaking cucumber.
Kylie, here.
It looks like a taco. Looks like a taco.
It?
Yeah, with the SCHEERLDR at Yahoo.